Dreame L10 Pro vacuum and mopping robot with its 4000 pascal strength and only 65 decibels noise makes it the strongest and quietest robo-vac until now. Hello guys, welcome to Mobile Tech 360. Today we're going to unbox and test Dreame L10 Pro Vacuum and Mopping Robot 2-in-1 combo. By the way, if you haven't bought any RoboVac before, read the buying guide from link in the description. Let's first look at the specifications briefly before we proceed to unboxing. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Dreame L10 Pro has 4000 pascal suction power. Dust cup capacity is 570 milliliters. Water tank has 270 milliliters capacity. It makes only 65 dB noise while working. Its weight is 8.4 pounds. It has 5700 mAh battery. Now it's time for unboxing this amazing gadget. Let's go. So here we've got the instruction manual and quick start guide. Here is the mopping pad. Seems good mopping pad with one reusable mop already attached to it. You can order a replacement from the link in description. This is the power cable. It comes with a European size 2-pin plug and here we have a charging dock. You need to place it against the wall so it doesn't move and vacuum returns to charging. Alright. Finally, we've got the vacuum robot itself. And a small side brush. That's all we have in the box. On top of vacuum, it has got 3 buttons to turn the vacuum on or off, to return to the dock, and start cleaning. It comes with a LiDAR sensor and 3D high-precision sensor for object detection and precise mapping of the environment. On the bottom you'll find a side brush and main brush. You can take that out in order to clean it or to eventually replace it if needed. You can open up the lid to access its dust box, and one notable thing here is the nice opening lid to empty the dust box, which I really liked. You can set up it using the Xiaomi App. Download link is given in the description. And as with any other smart device, once installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network, you can access the device page. First, you will have to have a full run through your home so it can map out the environment. Once it's fully mapped, you can tag rooms and set up no-go zones from the app. You can then set up scheduled cleanups, remotely control the vacuum cleaner, or set up smart home automation rules. In the app we can see a number of settings. I really like the quality of the map. It looks smooth and very detailed, and it's quite easy to rename the rooms, and it will add a little icon on the map, which it looks good because of the vacuum strength here in several levels. We can set the amount of water used in 3 levels, we can set scheduled cleanups, and we can set it just to clean a portion of the room. We can set it to clean just a certain room or an order of certain rooms, so it's been doing very well actually, and it's got pretty much all the stuff that we're expecting to see. So how the vacuum performs? Well, I was really noticing how gently it approaches any obstacles. It's smooth and it's really silent even on its highest suction strength compared to others. It's that silent that it's almost misleading. It should be quite powerful as mentioned in specs, so let's put it to the test with some rubbish. You can see that how well it picks up everything. Thus far I've been super impressed with the L10 Pro. It's super silent. It's really impressed me, so that's definitely some extra points there. It's also very powerful. After using it for a few weeks I was just blown away with the amount of hair and dust that this thing has captured. It's also easy to empty the bin. The dust box fully opens up, and it's easy to empty it like that, and overall I'm just very happy with the way this thing maps out the apartment and how gently it maneuvers around furniture. You have seen its cleaning process. Now let's try the mopping. You can easily attach and remove the mopping module. There are 3 modes and I'm using wet mode. You can see how much water it is spreading. About the battery life. I would say that it's enough for day-to-day cleaning. It never run out of juice while cleaning and mopping once daily. If battery is low, it'll return to dock and resume cleaning when enough charged. That's all for now, guys. If you are interested to buy Dreame L10 Pro, check out the offers in the description. You'll also get a special discount code. Thanks for watching.